Posibleng pang-undersea warfare ang isa sa mga submersible drone na narecover kamakailan sa teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Sa harap ng tila mga banta sa seguridad ng bansa, pinaiigting pa ng AFP ang mga susunod nitong joint exercises kasama ang militar ng Amerika. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Francis Polve.
Matagal nang binabatikos ng China ang presensya ng US Typhoon missile system sa Pilipinas. Kaya kasi nitong patamaan ng target sa China, pati na rin sa Russia mula sa kasalukuyang posisyon nito sa bansa. Kaya rin itong umasinta ng target sa dagat man o sa himpapawid, sa layong hanggang higit 200 kilometers. Una itong ginamit sa joint military exercises noong April 2024 at muli itong gagamitin ngayong 2025.
The use of the MRC is more on the training aspect. So we want to see how these logistical trains can be transported to certain locations, to certain salient points.
As mentioned previously by the Commanding General Filipina, we are proposing for the same capabilities. So kaya hanggat nandito yung MRC, we maximize yung kanilang utilization to train our personnel sa mga ganitong new technology.
Kinundi na naman ng AFP ang paggamit ng China Coast Guard ng Supersonic Device o mas kilala bilang Long Range Acoustic Device o LRAD laban sa barko ng Philippine Coast Guard na nagpapatrolya sa Bajo de Masinloc.
It only highlights the illegal presence, their coercive and now more aggressive actions, and their deceptive messaging by saying that Bajo de Masinloc is part of their territory. Connecting the dots, this will show us also the same deceptive messaging in the handling of this Chinese national who was arrested conducting intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance of government critical infrastructure. Connecting all these dots, we could now see a bigger picture that would give government a clearer picture of what is happening. It's not yet a complete puzzle. The puzzle is still being assembled. But we are now starting to see bits and pieces of the direction where this is taking us.
Pero ang malinaw raw sa ngayon ay ang paninindigan ng Coast Guard at BIPAR para sa ating teritoryo. Binanggit din ng Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea na tapos na ang forensic examination sa isa sa 5 sinusuri na submersible drones. Ito ay ang nakuha sa Calayan, Cagayan noong 1 taon. Pwede raw gamitin sa undersea warfare ang mga impormasyong nakalap nito.
The data collected could have applications across different fields to include the military. There is a subtle effort to map out not only the maritime domain, even our human terrain, our political system, our critical infrastructure. And if we start connecting the dots, it seems that this deliberate effort is being conducted by a foreign power.
Ilalabas raw ng AFP ang iba pang detalye ng kanilang forensic investigation, oras na makumpleto ang pagsusuri sa 4 na iba pang mga drone. Para sa agenda, Francis Polve, Bellionario News Channel.